How to crop a page in PDF. Open your PDF in UPDF and click on Tools. Then select the Crop button. You can drag the crop box directly on the page to your desired area. Then, click Apply to crop the page. You can also set a custom crop size from the right panel by entering width and height. Alternatively, you can crop by margins. Adjust the top, bottom, left, and right margins as needed. You can also set the page range under Apply Changes. Once everything is set, click Apply to crop easily. If you are not satisfied with the result, click Revert Changes on the top toolbar. You can also set the page range for reverting in the panel on the right. Or press Ctrl+C to undo. You can also crop pages directly by selecting page size from the top toolbar. Set the page to a preset size, adjust the orientation, page range, and more. Get started with UPDF, free to download.